This 2022 Forest River Surveyor 203RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 4, Skylight, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, awning, stovetop burner, water heater, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, microwave, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Surveyor 203RK is 5,030 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.